I have the hiccups. And every time I get the hiccups, I have them not once or twice. I always get them maybe 5 times in the whole day. It is ridiculous. And I'm very jealous of everyone else who just holds their breath or gets to drink a big glass of water or drink it upside down or whatever else you can do. Drink lemon water, I've heard, but nothing works to get rid of my hiccups. So I'm screwed. Okay, now they went away because I'm talking about them. It is now an hour later and I have hiccups again, but I bet because I'm talking about them, they'll go away. See? Screw my life. Fuck hiccup.